में दिस सवाल ये तो आना ही है आज, कोई ना कोई मुझे पूछेगा इस सवाल. So I'll tell you, I have a very, I have huge respect for Mr. Narayan Murthy and others, so let me not get this wrong.
Of course.
But I have to say something. I think this debate is in the wrong direction. Because this debate is about the quantity of work. My point is, we have to focus on the quality of work, not on the quantity of work. So it's not about 40 hours, it's not about 70 hours, it's not about 90 hours. What output are you doing even if it's 10 hours? You can change the world in 10 hours. The ministers just sent me a note saying we have the My Bharat platform, which is a single window platform for all youth activities, and we will integrate with the Aspire platform. Thank you, sir. That's what you call an action-oriented government right there. He didn't even wait 1 minute before responding. My salam to you. So coming back to your question, Palki, I have always believed that you have to have leaders and people in your company who make wise decisions, wise choices. So the question is, which kind of mind makes the right choices and right decisions? And I think a mind that is exposed to holistic thinking, that is open to inputs from around the world, that's why I'm such a votary of liberal arts. I think even if you're an engineer, even if you're an MBA, you must study art, you must study culture. The MC was very kind that we support art and culture. Why? Why am I making shareholders pay for that? Because I think you make better decisions when you have a whole brain. When you are informed about arts, culture, that's when you'll make a good decision. If you're not spending time at home, if you're not spending time with friends, if you're not reading, if you don't have time to reflect, how will you bring the right inputs into making a decision? Let's take our business. You make a car. We have to decide what a customer wants in a car. If we are only in the office all the time, we are not with our families, we are not with other families, how are we going to understand what people want to buy? What kind of car do they want to sit in? So that is why I'm a big votary. I'm not going to say you need to work so many hours or that. Often you have to be in a tunnel just to complete a project or a title or there's a crisis, but you should not be in a tunnel every time. And Gandhiji said, open your windows, let the air in. So I definitely think there's no such thing as a work-life balance. There is something where it's not about balancing two things. You make good decisions if you have a holistic life, and you cannot be in a tunnel all the time.